Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I guide you to fix Clash Royale stock at 75% while going on game. Now if you are facing the same problem as me, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now the problem of stocking at 75% or 78% while playing the game is after the update which has recently come on Clash Royale. Now to fix it, open Play Store on a device and search Clash Royale from the search box and see if there is any new update. So if there is any new update, then update the app and it will help you to fix the problem. So if there is no update, then you just need to go to settings on your device, and from there you just need to search the app Clash Royale. Search the app Clash Royale, or if you scroll down here, you'll see the option of Clash Royale like this, and click on it. And from here you just need to click on the option of storage at the very bottom, and here you will see the option of clear data, clear cache at the very bottom. So click on the option of clear data or clear cache. So click on it, and it says all of the application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, account and database. So if you want to remove it, click on the option of clear data, but if you want to clear the cache, click on the option of clear cache, and it will help you to fix the problem. Now if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side, and you just need to enable the flight mode for a few seconds. So this helps you to reset the network settings of a device and helps you to fix the problem of stock at 75%. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.